The Cards mobile wallet app is a convenient and secure way to store all your important cards all in one place, from credit and debit cards to loyalty cards, IDs, tickets, and even business cards. Instead of carrying a bulky wallet, this app keeps everything digital, organized, and easily accessible on your phone. It's designed for people who want simplicity, security, and the convenience in managing their daily essentials. One of the best things about Cards is how clean and intuitive it feels. The interface is sleek with clear categories and an easy setup process. You can even scan physical cards using your phone's camera, and the app automatically stores the details securely. It also supports cloud backup and device sync, so your cards stay safe even if you lose your phone. Plus, it offers quick searches and smart sorting features to help you find the right card in literally seconds. But security is a major highlight. The app uses a 256-bit encryption, biometric locks, and passcodes to protect your data, ensuring that only you can access your cards. It doesn't share information with third parties, and sensitive details are stored locally or in the encryption form in the cloud. However, there are finer new downsides that do exist. So some users mention in the reviews here occasionally syncing delays or trouble scanning certain barcode types. Also, while the basic version is free, advanced features like custom designs or cloud extras may require a premium upgrade. Overall, though, the Cards mobile wallet app is secure, simple, and a smart solution for anyone looking to declutter their physical wallet. It's safe, reliable, and even easy to use, making it a must have tool for keeping your cards organized and protected wherever you may be.